हाय एवरीवन पुणी थर आपण मानक स्वागत करछि माय जॉब रे ओपीएससी द्वारा असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ फैक्ट्री एंड बॉयलर इन ग्रुप ए जेबी ऑफ ओडिशा फैक्ट्री एंड बॉयलर इंस्पेक्शन सर्विस लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्टेट इंश्योरेंस डिपार्टमेंट द्वारा नियुक्ति असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर पोस्ट पे तो ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट टी आम जानी नबा कौन रही डिटेल भाव ऑनलाइन एप्लिकेशन आर इनवाइटेड फ्रॉम prospective candidate through the proforma application form to be made available on the website. The link for registration and submission of online application form shall be available 16/4/2025 to 15/5/2025. 15/5/2025 is the last date, closing date for submission of registration online application for recruitment to post of assistant director of factory and boiler in the group A JB of Odisha Factory and Boiler Inspection Service under Labour and ESI Department in the scale of pay 56,100 in level 12 cell 1 of the pay matrix as per ORSP rules 2017 with usual dearness and other allowance as may be sanctioned by the government from time to time. Vacancy रही दुईटी जनरल गोटे पोस्ट एवं SCBC गोटे पोस्ट. एज लिमिट रही है कैंडिडेट मस्ट हैव अटेन्ड इन द एज ऑफ 21 years and must not be above the age of 32 years as on the 1st August 2025. He must not have been born earlier than 2nd August 1993 and not later than 1st August 2004. The upper age limit relaxable by 5 years for candidate belonging to SCBC, women and ex-servicemen. Educational qualification. A candidate should hold a degree in mechanical engineering of a recognized university or any qualification declared by the Union or State Public Service Commission as equivalent thereto and should have practical experience of last 2 years in workshop of manufacturing, concrete of good standing or in design, construction, operation or maintenance of boiler. The degree subject which are equivalent to a degree in mechanical engineering are a mechanical engineer degree obtained from any institute which is recognized by AICTE or a mechanical engineering degree obtained by the Institution of Engineering or a mechanical engineering degree obtained from Institution of Mechanical Engineering. The certificate showing practical experience of at least 2 years must have been obtained after completion of degree in mechanical engineering. The authority competent to issue the practical experience certificate shall be owner of the unit case of properties firm, any one of partner in case of partnership firm, any one of the director or unit head or HR head in case of a private limited firm. The unit head or HR head in case of a public limited firm. Candidates are to upload their practical experience certificate along with the online application form. Examination fee. The examination fee for all category of candidate has been exempted as per the Odisha discontinues of payment of application and examination fee for recruitment to different post and service in the state government rules 2022. Method of selection, written examination and interview. Scheme of written examination, general study 100 mark, number of question 100, time duration 2 hours, paper 2, mechanical engineering 200 mark, 100 question, time 2 hours. The question is both paper shall be multiple choice question type. All the question in paper 1 will carrying 1 mark. All the question in paper 2 carrying 2 mark. There will be negative marking for wrong answer. 25% of mark allotted to practical item will be deducted as negative marking for every wrong response answer. Interview. The interview shall carry 30 mark. No minimum qualifying mark for interview shall be fixed. Date of examination. The written examination will be held 3rd August 2025 Sunday. The detailed schedule and center of examination will be notified in due course. Place of examination. The venue of the written examination for the post of assistant director of factory and boiler will be located at Cuttack. Request for change of examination center shall नॉट बी एंटरटेन्ड। तो कटक रे ही आपनकर एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर रहिबो, एथिरे आपण चेंज करि परिबे नाही। तो डिटेल भाव में आपको जनईली अधिक जानापी लिंक रे आप चेक करेंगे कि ओपीएससी जो वेबसाइट रही ओपीएससी वेबसाइट रे जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिंक पाइबे। एप्रिल 10 रे जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट बाहरी था ये क्लिक कर डिटेल भाव में चेक करेंगे। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे लिंक रही। तेज आज आवेदन आरंभ हो सारी। आज आवेदन आरंभ हम 16 एप्रिल पाखर जो मैंने आवेदन पर इच्छुक अच्छा जो मैंने एथपाई योग्य अच्छा से मैंने आवेदन करेंगे। आशा करुँच वीडियो भल लगी निश्चित भाव गोटे लाइक शेयर करेंगे। चैनल जदि सब्सक्राइब करना चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करदे। मूल्यवान समय देते बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।